Hello and welcome. This is Angie with thecountrysheetcottage.net. So we're back tonight with another great Cricut project. So let's jump in and get started making our craft. So to make this project, you will need printable vinyl. So that is an adhesive vinyl that it can actually be printed on. And then you can pull up the cut file at the link in the description for this video. I have a bunch of labels already set up. You can delete the ones you don't want. And anywhere you want a custom label, just click the Type Custom here and type your own word. You may have to center the text again for it to actually change because this is a really big file. Then pick both the box and the word and center those together again. And then make that a print, then cut image. And now you're ready to cut. So once you've deleted off the ones you don't want, then you can print your file by clicking Make It in Cricut Design Space. And then the Cricut will prompt you to add it to your Cricut machine. Now, when you print it, you will notice that there's a very large black box around all of your labels. The Cricut will then use this to locate itself and know where to cut the labels out. So this is called the Print Then Cut feature of your Cricut machine if you've never used it before. Then after it's located itself, the Cricut will continue and cut around each of your labels so that now you have a bunch of stickers that have the names of your spices on them, and they're ready just to stick on your mason jar. So once your Cricut is done cutting, you just eject the mat from your machine and you're ready to complete your printable spice labels. All you'll need to do is remove the printable vinyl from the mat, and I like to use a blue mat for my printable vinyl, but a green one would work as well. Then you can start peeling back those labels from the backing paper, and they're just like stickers at this point. Then you can put them on your mason jars in whatever location you would like. And then these are ready for your kitchen. You just sort of burnish them down with your fingers and they're ready to go. And then you'll just want to fill them with the spices of your choice. And you might try not to spill them all over the place. Add your lid and then add these printable spice labels to your kitchen for some cute spice organization. So that was super easy, right? The Cricut makes everything easier. So thank you all so much for joining me today. If you love this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. You'll also want to head to our YouTube channel and subscribe, as we have crafting videos all the time, all about your Cricut machine and more, and you don't want to miss any of those. If you have any questions about anything we did today, feel free to ask those in the comment section below, because we love comments. Thanks y'all, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.